Hey, hi. We're going to look at this platform, this AI. It's called Let's Meet AI.com. We're going to see how you can chat with the girlfriends on this platform, with the boyfriends, how you can actually create your unique chatbots for your companionship. Okay, I've tried it out and I've actually had time to chat with some of the personalities on this AI, and we're going to see how the whole thing really works. And we're going to also find out, is it really worthy? Okay. Now on this Meetai AI, there are a lot of characters, and some of them are kind of weird. Others are cool. Others are shy. Others are celebrities. Others are physicians and all that stuff. So you can kind of choose some of these and try to start chatting with them. Okay. It's important to read about the character before you choose it because the characters are given a personality. For example, Kay, he reads books and art, plays games and all that stuff. So if you choose this one, just know you're fan of that stuff. Okay. Something like that. Sally is kind of a popular guy that has a new crush on a new student. So they actually give you even a background. I tested out Sakula. She cares about everyone and she likes all that stuff. So I tested out her out. I also tried out Skinner. So with Sakura, they say like she's really cares about everyone and she likes to visit new places. She has a kind heart and always lives her life openly in present, doesn't tolerate injustice. She's always happy. So when I selected, by the way, before you start using it, you have to sign in. So you can sign in with your Gmail. So after signing in, so this is auto generated by Sakura. What are your favorite hobbies or activities to do in your free time? I told him like, hey, are we going for the birthday party tomorrow, Sunday? Then you realize actually here they say my eyes sparkle with excitement, animation of a party. So what is in the stars? The words that they put in the stars is actually that is what is acting. That is what is they try to define you. If you ask him something, how he acts. So after telling him, "Are we going for the birthday?" They tell me like his eyes sparkle with excitement, animation of a party. Now these are the words that he speaks now. Okay. So, oh, you know it. I've been looking toward it all weekend. Can't wait to let it loose, dance the night away, and just have a blast with friends. It's going to be epic. Then, actually, this is like what it does now. You know, you have to notice like these things in the stars are what is actually acting because they try to bring out like what is it feeling, how is it feeling, something like that. So leaning in closer, a slight grin spreads across my face. So that is what actually is looking or how is acting. Then and who knows, maybe we'll find some non-times sneak off and So I probably not really just want to eat cake with you. Okay, now what is in the star is how he's acting. Oh, my heart melts at your sweet sentiment. That is so thoughtful of you, babe, sharing a slice of cake with you. Definitely something I love, something like that. So it's kind of actually fun. And these are characters, they don't really go for lunch, they don't rest. So you can have a virtual friend to talk to. So some of the characters are a bit crazy. So I went to talk with this Skinner. Skinner is a psychologist. Okay, he's a psychologist and they give you a background of Skinner. She's a psychologist, someone who helps you with life difficulties. What brings you here today? So that is our profile. Okay. So I said, hey, I don't want to greet people at parties. Am I fine? So they'll say Skinner's eyes meet yours. So what is in the star, as I've said, the words which are in the star is the AI is trying to communicate to you how he is actually performing, how he's looking at the moment. They try to bring out his emotions. Okay. the character emotions when you ask something. So uh, what is in the stars, don't assure me that is what is replying. That is just the AI trying to define how how he's feeling. Okay. So the first star and the last star, what's between that are kind of definition of how his personality and all that stuff. So he replies, not everyone thrives in social situations, especially ones that involve forceful interaction. The key is to recognize and accept your preferences rather than beating yourself up over them. Okay, so that is what he replied. Now, when you see the star, just know like that is now how he's acting. He paused, studying you intently. So it's like that's how the AI is trying to tell you, like he kind of paused and tried to look at me, it's trying to study me. Then after that, Skinner said, "What if we reframe the expectation instead of seeing greeting as a duty? Perhaps you could view it as an opportunity to connect with others on your own terms, something like that." So basically, I believe Let's Meet AI is kind of really cool, and they have really a lot of characters to choose from. But as I've said, you have to actually know. Uh, the background about these characters. You can actually also create your own characters. You give it a name, you give it a gender, male or female. How should AI call you? You can even give it the nickname that you want. You can upload an image or generate a prompt to describe how it looks. So, so something like that. Okay. And you can describe about his personality there. The first message your character sends you, like maybe morning or whatever. So something like that. Visibility, is it public? Everyone can chat with him, or something like that. So as you build your character, you have to take some time to kind of feed some information. I think if you're interested in that, we shall see how you can build your character. I can build a personality of a character in another video, but it's not really so hard. As you use this AI, you realize actually what there's a lot that you can do. Okay, so you can create your own chatbot, so companion. You can help the AI to develop its personality, talk about your feelings or anything that is on your mind. Okay, you can have fun, come anxiety and grow together, creating a kind of actually virtual perfect friend. Okay, you can customize the character personality and professional background, something like that. Okay, so you can discover virtual friends from around the globe and speak with them to discover their capabilities, chat with virtual friends at any time. So Meet AI is actually really, really kind of cool. I really find it cool. So that's what I can say about this Meet AI review. And I love the way they make everything simple. Okay. So let me know what you think about Let's Meet AI. Okay. I'll see you in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe if you're interested in videos like this that review AIs like this, that review apps like this. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.